So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account. So to do this is pretty simple. Set up your email, go with Google, so it wants Google to sign in, and then from there it will redirect you to a new page. From this page you will have to create a new account. So let's just wait for it to load up right here and let's see. So it's taking a long time, so let's do it again. So right here, create account, and then for my personal use, it depends on you. So here, place your name, so just place nameless for now. And then next, your basic information such as your date of birth and such, and gender of course. So here you will have to place your username. So let's just go with random letters that we're not gonna use. Do a password, so let's also use random letters. So there you go. So here, let's just place the numbers too. There you go. And then you'll have to place your phone number. So it depends on what country you are at. Just select. So let's just say we are living in let's say Russia. Enter your phone number. It'll send you OTP. Then you'll be on your way. And that's how you create a Gmail account. It's just that easy. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.